She'll take you from A to Z and all the letters in between. You'll get a word of the day that you'll learn while you play. You'll have so much fun, just let me tell ya, when you're hanging out with Spellerella.
Hey Super Spellers! It's your girl Spellerella, and I am here at a special Christmas treat place. Do you want to guess what treats we're gonna find when we go in here? It's a Christmas one. Yeah, gingerbread! We're at a gingerbread store called the Gingerbread Man, and it's filled with delicious gingerbread treats. Okay, do you want to come with me and maybe we'll even find some letters while we're in here? Okay, let's do it. Okay, we're inside the shop that sells gingerbread sweets. Look at these, Super Spellers. Look at all of these gingerbread houses. Aren't they just beautiful? And they've got some Christmas lights flashing. Come this way. Let's look at this. Look at this gingerbread castle! Wow! Isn't it spectacular? There's even a bridge with some water and some candy rocks. Wow! Let's look at this. A nutcracker for Christmas. Come over here. You have to see this. It's a mill made out of gingerbread. And it's got some green lights all the way around it. Isn't that so magical? Okay, let's see what else we can find. Look at these creative gingerbread cookies. Wow. Look at this little Rudolph with his red nose. So special. Let's see what... Super Spellers, I just heard the sound. That means there's a letter around here somewhere. Oh my goodness, there's so many places it could be. Okay, I better start looking. Oh, maybe this little guy has it. No. On the gingerbread clock that I just saw? No. Do you see it, Super Spellers? Where? Behind me? Here it is! This is the letter M, and it makes this sound just like I want to eat everything in this store. Okay, let's put it in the letter collector. And then I want to show you something else that I just saw that is so cool. Look over there. Look at that giant lighthouse. Guess what? Even that is made out of gingerbread. Can you believe it? Wow, the gingerbread man is very talented to create all of these beautiful masterpieces. Okay, now, Super Spellers, I think I want to buy some gingerbread people to take home. Let's see which one I'm going to pick. There's a snowman, two little guys there. Ooh, a Darth Vader. Look at this one. I think I'm gonna bring him home. Let's get him a friend to be with too. This is one. Look how cute he is. You know what? I think I found the perfect one for me. This one. You know why? Because he has the letter S on him. Like S for Spellerella. Okay, I'm gonna get these ones and take them home. I'm gonna go buy them. Super Spellers! I bought my little gingerbread people. Wasn't that so much fun going and visiting that store? Oh my gosh, it was just such a festive and magical place to be. I was thinking that I could... What? I just heard the sound that means there's a letter around. We just found a letter. And There's nothing around here except these little gingerbread people I'm holding. Look at this one, Super Spellers! There's a letter in the bag! I found it! This is the letter U, and it makes this sound. U! Okay, I'll put it in the letter collector. You know what I was thinking, Super Spellers? I was thinking that these little gingerbread people might need a gingerbread house to warm up in because it's snowy and it's winter. Maybe they're cold. Let's go see if we can find them a gingerbread house so they can stay warm. Okay, come with me. Hey, Super Spellers! Look what I found! A gingerbread house for our gingerbread people! But, you know what I was thinking? It's not very festive or colorful. Do you think we should decorate it? Yeah, me too! I think we should make like a fancier house for our guys. Okay, let's see what we have. I have a whole selection of candy to put on the gingerbread house. We've got all sorts of things. We've got peppermint swirls, little Christmas lights, stars, little green trees, and a whole bunch of little things like tiny, tiny snowflakes. And in this section, I have some gumdrops. Yeah, I have some gumdrops that we can put on our house. Okay, are you ready to do it? All right, let's get started. Okay, how about we start with the bottom of the house, the front. And there's a door and some windows. Okay, let's decorate the door, around the door. Put some icing. This is white icing. Put it around the door to make it look snowy. Okay, now our door is more fancy. How about we add some, how about little snowflake doorknobs? Put one here. And one over here. Okay, how about we put some little gingerbread guys around these windows? That looks so cute. This one I'll do more snowflakes. Okay, I put some more white and I put a pattern of icing we're gonna use to stick the candy on. So I put red, green, red, green, red, green. It's a pattern. And I'm gonna put some of these peppermint swirls on. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Now we're gonna do the roof. The roof has to have some snow on it to make it look extra Christmassy, like a winter wonderland. Put lots of nice white icing. Now I'm gonna kind of put some, see how it's falling to make it look like icicles? That's what I want to have happen. So it looks like icicles are falling down. Okay, now let's add some candy to the icing that I just put on the roof. Okay, what should we put? How about some of our gumdrops? Let's put those on. Put a green one there. Purple one. This time I'm not gonna do a pattern. I'm just gonna put them however I want. How about I put some snowflakes? Okay, and I'm gonna put some green holly in the next row. There. And at the bottom, what should I put in that last row? I'll do these little candies, little peppermint swirls. They're like mini peppermint swirls. Okay, now on the bottom row of the roof, I'm gonna put some Christmas lights. There we go. Let's put one more. Let's see, do I have a pattern on these lights? I think I do. Green, blue, red, yellow. Green, blue, red, yellow. Green, blue, red. What do you think the next color would be? Yes, yellow! That would complete our pattern if we had one more yellow. Right, good job, Super Spellers. And I'm gonna put trees. Trees on top of a house? Why not? We can be as creative as we want. Let's see if they'll stay. And we'll put a red star beside it. We'll add some red. Or a little red star. There! That looks pretty good, I think. There's only one more thing I want to add. Some snow. Just a little finishing touch. That's a nice little house for our gingerbread people, I think. And then what? There's a letter around here somewhere? Okay, the last letter is around here? All right, let's start looking. Not under the candy, not in the candy. What about in my bowl of snow? Do you see anything? Me neither. Somewhere on the gingerbread. Wait a second. This big gob of icing. I don't remember putting that there. What is... What? Here it is, Super Spellers. I found the last letter. It's full of icing. Okay, let me clean that icing off so that you can see it. Okay, this is the letter G, and it makes this sound, G, G, G. Let's put it in the letter collector. Now, we found all the letters today, so you know what we say. I found all the letters. Now, I'm spellbound. Whoa, we made it, Super Spellers, but we're in a different spell place. This one's very Christmassy and festive. I'm so excited to get the word of the day in this spell place. Okay, let's see what we got today. Today, we found the letter M. M. Remember, it's like, delicious gingerbread cookies, right? Okay, so now we have to find the matching potion for the letter M so we can put it in the pot. Okay, let's see if we can find the M. Ta-da! Here's something that kind of looks like an M, you see? But it looks like it's upside down M. That's a W. But right above it is the M. Oh yeah, I remember. The super heavy potion. Oh my gosh. Super Spellers, this one is so heavy. one is so heavy. All right. Then we found the letter U. U. Okay, let's find the match. Da-da-da. Here it is. Right under the T, because T-U-V. All right, let's pour some of this one in. Some good U in there. All right, and the last letter we found was the letter G. G. Okay. I see it over here. The letter G. You see how they match? Okay. Let's shake some of that in. I think that should be good. Put the top back on and back on the shelf till the next time we need it. Okay, so all of the letters are in the pot, all of the potions. Now we're going to get the big silver sparkly spoon and say our spell and see if we can get the word of the day. Okay, super spellers, say it with me. Ready? We searched left and right. We searched up and down into the pot when the letters we found. We mix and we blend till our pot is well stirred. Now our spell is complete, so let's spell a word. We got the word of the day. We did it, super spellers. Thank you so much for doing the spell with me. It really helps get the word of the day. Okay, let's see if we can read the letters that are up there first. So we have a G, a U, and an M. Okay, you know what we do next? We say the sounds that the letters make and see if we can hear the word that's up there. Okay? G, A, M. G, A, M. Gum! Gum! Do you remember when we were putting gum drops on the gingerbread house when we were making it? We put the little gum drops on? And that's the word of the day! Wow! Great job, super spellers! Thank you so much for your help. You keep on spelling, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hey parents, thanks for checking out my video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram at Spellerella Official. And you can contact me at info@spellerella.com.